And hello, everybody. Welcome into Web3 week. Super excited to get started today. Hi, everybody. Hello, hello. Welcome on in Web3 week. It's part 3 of the stream. Hope everyone's doing well. We are going to test out a new setup today for my development world, development realm, everything. I've got chat on this little bottom screen here. So if you see me looking down a little bit, I'm just monitoring y'all, seeing how everyone's doing. How are y'all doing? How are y'all feeling? Looking good? Feeling good? Excited for y'all to be here. Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna get a couple of links set up in the chat here. First off, gonna go ahead and send over the event login for those of you who missed my announcement, so you can go ahead and check on in. Other thing I'm gonna send is our GitHub repository where we uploaded yesterday's and Monday's progress. And we'll go ahead and finish on off with a brief overview of our application, and then we'll jump into some of the things we're gonna do today. We'll see how much progress we're able to make. It's gonna be fun. We'll see what we're able to accomplish. But I'm excited about it. So here is the event check-in and the GitHub and the chat. Hello! Excited that you're here. Lovely for you to be joining us. Yeah, awesome. Excited for today's stream. I am actually really, really proud of the progress we made yesterday. For those of you who weren't on yesterday's stream, we got like a Web3 wallet set up with, some test things and some test Ethereum, so we don't have to worry about actual real money, which is always nice. And then we went ahead and got it set up and got authentication working on our device. So I'm actually going to go ahead and share my screen here. And I'm going to go ahead and show off. Ooh, look at that. We've got, I know StreamYard's sharing my screen. This is the whole point. Cool. So for those of you who were not here yesterday, this is what we managed to accomplish. On Monday, we went ahead and added in installed Flutter, which actually took like half of the stream, where we had to install Xcode, install Android Studio, install CocoaPods, and then also go ahead and install like our main development environment, Flutter and Visual Studio Code. And we kind of had to get everything set up. That was that. Hello, welcome in. Excited that you're here. Hello, day 3 indeed. Hope you're getting those sweet swag points for being here. Anyway, as I was saying, so yesterday, or on Monday, we went ahead and set up a sample application. And why are we in my working tree? Why are we in my working tree? Let's get out of the working tree. Anyway, so on Monday, we went ahead and set up this main.dart application. So this was a sample application for Flutter, which has, all of these wonderful things that we need. And then yesterday, what we managed to accomplish is this whole MetaMask provider.dart file. So we actually managed to integrate our MetaMask wallet as authentication into our Flutter app. So what I can do right now is I can click Flutter run on the web server, and it's going to go ahead and launch and do its little thing. Oh, this is so exciting. And then I'll just be able to show it off to y'all right on this screen. This is going to be so nice. Okay. I might have to experiment with like a little lap desk situation, so y'all are slightly higher up. I think that's the only thing that I'm really missing right now. But this is a good stream setup. I'm really enjoying this. All right, we're gonna wait for it to load so I can show you all the progress we made these last 2 days. And like mentioned yesterday, if you ever need to see the GitHub progress, it's right on the page here. You can check out our GitHub repository. It's got all of the fun things that we have been able to do over the last 2 days, and it's going to have the things we accomplished today and the things we accomplished tomorrow in part 4, which you should definitely be at. If you're not coming to part 4, my heart. You have to come and join me for part 4. It's gonna be the best part. Actually, no. Right now, this part will be the best part. Just saying. So, thanks y'all for coming. I'm excited that y'all are here. All right, come on. You are taking your... Oh, wait. No, it's literally spun up. I just can't read. Okay, so the local host, and then let's go ahead and see it. Aha! There she is. Hello, hello. So for those of y'all who missed it, this is like our local host running on the web server, and this is welcome to chat apps. It should say chat app, not chat apps. So we can go ahead and fix that. I can show you reloading as well. So now if we reload it, I try and tab over. There we go. Welcome to chat. Nope. Welcome to chat app. There we go. Sweet. And we can click this fun little MetaMask login button. You know, operates kind of like normal login would. As you can see here, it tries to connect to my Sepolia Ethereum wallet, which Sepolia is a test network, so we're not dealing with any actual money. Thank goodness. So we go ahead and we want it to trust this account. See everything, we connect, and ta-da! And this is what we did yesterday. We made a little list with entry A, entry B, and entry C, and this list is going to turn into, you know, our main like chat interface. So here's where we're going to be able to click on people, and I think that should be good. Sweet. That's the progress we've managed to make so far. Yeah, so these are the colors here. So this is the list view. And they come with containers. So what I think we're gonna want to do today, and I'm just gonna change this. I want the color to be a little different. So this blue is a little too light, dark, too aggressive. I want it to be more of like a, nope. I want it to be like still blue-ish, but definitely more on the whiter side. Something like that, maybe? Or that's too bright. Maybe like that. Let's try that. So we'll go ahead and have this be the color. And what is wrong with you? What are you complaining about? Const. Of course, I'll add a const modifier for you. So we'll go ahead and swap these out. And we can go ahead and see what these look like. You can actually just hit R again, no red hot recompile. And we can go back to our localhost page, which I think I closed. Yes, I did. So we'll drag it back in. There we go. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and re-authenticate, and then entry A, entry B, and entry C. I don't like that. You know what? Let's do some research on color schemes. This is my favorite color scheme website. It works so well. So yeah, we'll accept all the cookies. I want the generator, and this is so fun because it allows you, as you can see, to like hit the space bar to generate random colors, lock in colors, select specific colors, upload photos, export, save, create palettes, and all that. So what I need is our original color that we have. This color, 415687. Actually, this is the color I'm also going to make everything on stream too, while I remember. So there we go. Beautiful. And then let's also get it up on that page. Tab over. There we go. Now I want to put in the hex code, please. No. Is there was a way to modify the... I swear there used to be a way to like modify this color. I need RG. Yeah, RGB's fine. I'm gonna have to convert it because it's 4156.87. Need hex in there. I'll put in hex. There we go. Sweet. So that's our blue. We're gonna lock this in. We're gonna look for some complementary colors. Let's do it. Hmm. 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 Nope. 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 I need like a... This one could be fun. This is a fun little color scheme. We could do the chat names in like this color with like the active chat. No, the active, that's gonna be too bright for the active chat. Keep going. Let's see what good stuff we can find. I do like that red, but I think it's a little much. It needs to be readable. That's the issue. And like this color palette is cute, but it needs to work well, you know? Like these two colors need to stand next to each other. Like that looks really pretty. F7, F0, F5. Let's try that. So go ahead and copy over this guy. This is so much nicer with the when I can do the like when I don't have to keep resharing my screen whenever I want to do things. That helps things so much. Unironically, like it is really, really helpful. What kind of sucks though is that like my camera is like up here, so when I'm like I don't really get a chance to look at y'all as much, which is okay. We're making it work, but just something I've noticed. Okay, and I want then F7, F0, F5, and it has to start with FF because that's 100% opacity. I love color theory. I love hexadecimal color. I used to play The Sims a lot when I was younger, so I have like the hexacolor like system ingrained in my soul. Kind of funny. Like that's how I remember it, really. I remember it from like the Sims 3 color wheel, which is really funny. Okay, cool. Let's restart the application. Get it booted up on this guy. Here it is on localhost. We'll log in with our MetaMask wallet. Okay, and this is what it looks like. These are entries. So if I were to say, like, I don't know, Jonah Periwinkle, Stacy Blueberry, and Grayson Indigo, something like that. I know, very color-centric names we've got on here. So if I were to like, you know, refresh this again, nope, not do that, refresh the application again, reload it, you'll see you have to relog in for a while. But yeah, there's Jonah, Stacy, Blueberry, and Grayson Indigo. So if I, instead of doing them as text, how do I make a button? Make a material button. Okay. So I could make a material button. Okay. If I wanted to make it like instead of text. So let's try and keep those the same. I'm gonna, you know, try and make a child. That's text Jonah Periwinkle. So instead of text, I want Jonah here to be a what was it called? Material button. Cool. And then it has an on pressed thing that happens. And that will do something. What is the context? Like that. That's how we do it. And then and then we will, I don't know, can you print hello for now? Can we click the button? Oh no, we're actually gonna need to have something happen here. Okay. Well, can I just have the material button for now, like, and have it do nothing? Or are you required? You have an on pressed is required. Okay. On pressed. And then invalid constant value. Okay. We're gonna do some research then. How to create a material button in Flutter. For those of you who are wondering, yeah, material button, working with material button. Cool. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna keep my ad blocker on. Flat button, text button, raised button, elevated button. So there is like a, oh, there could be an on press that does nothing. Okay, well, let's try that for now. On pressed, I want you to do nothing. No, you don't like that. What? Hold on. So material button on pressed. But isn't that not the same thing? It is. Okay. On pressed, yeah, and then there needs to be another child. That's a const text that just says what was his name? Jonah Periwinkle. That's right. Jonah Periwinkle. Okay, and what's wrong with this syntax? What do you not like? I need a comma at the end of this. Right? Unnecessary const keyword. That's fine. We can remove that. And then what is wrong? Invalid constant value. How do I just create an on-pressed button that does nothing? Like, what's wrong with this? I try and do that. It does not like that. Material, okay. Material button class. Okay. Okay, okay. On pressed. Okay. All right, let's do some quick extra research. Oh. No, don't, not right now. Types of Flutter buttons. Yeah. I need material button. Material buttons. Okay. Yeah, material buttons. Wait, so well, those are drop-down buttons. Icon button, pop-up menu button, outline button, text button. Okay, let's just try a text button. We'll try a text button. And I wanted to have an on pressed. Yeah, I'm just gonna, for now. Let's see here. So you belong to this. Nope. This formatting is ugly. Nope. I forgot a line. Sorry. Wait, what? I am a little confused. Don't mind me. You need to be, no. You need to be out. Like that. And then you need to come in with a text button. Like that. Nope. No, yes. And then what's going on? Oh yeah, because this needs to hold. This whole thing needs to get replaced. Okay. I got it now. And then we can push all of this over into the appropriate location. And then this guy, of course. No shell matches. Okay, what's wrong? Unnecessary const keyword. Cool. Still don't like that. What's wrong with it? It's doing the same thing theirs is doing. What's wrong with mine? And I just run it? Yeah, not a constant expression. Okay. Can I just get rid of on pressed? No, I won't like that. it'll make me add in on pressed. Add in required argument on pressed. Yeah. Why do you insist? Invalid constant value. So if I got rid of const, maybe? Oh geez, where's this guy's const? It's gonna be higher up. Nope, not caps lock const. Okay, it's not in the background color, I'll tell you that much. Is it because of this guy? There's no way, no. It's... No. Those are the only const. Oh no, best const would override it. And then we would need a const here instead. Okay. Yeah, I don't need the style of this to be green font. I think I'm okay. We'll comment it out for now. And let's run it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I've restarted the application. Let's switch screens, go back to the localhost. Try and re-log in over a little MetaMask wallet. Text button. Yeah! Sweet. Okay, so this is the text button. That's what it looks like. Okay. So that's what the text button looks like. Sweet. Okay. So if I were to change that, if now I were to reload it, is the text button going to be like green? Oh, I forgot to press R. Sorry. Let's try that again. It is. Okay, cool. I don't want font size 18, but I do want colors.black. And I am going to rename you text button once again to Jonah Periwinkle. Jonah Periwinkle. There you go. Okay, cool. Let's see it. Let's try that again. Log in. You press R. That's going to get to me. Try that again. Nope. Let's try that again. Jonah Periwinkle, there he is. Okay, so now you can only tell the difference in these because that one's a button. Once you hover on it, there's a difference. Jonah Periwinkle, Stacy Blueberry, and Grayson Indigo. Cool. So, we can go ahead and replace all of these text with the text buttons. So like that. So like this. And then boom, and then boom, and then boom. I can't believe that worked. The formatting's slightly off just on this guy. No, just tab over one. Come on. Nope. Tab. There we go. Thank you. Oh, what do you... Oh, because I need to get rid of the const that is under the center. Like that. There we go. And then I'll do the same thing here. I know you're going to complain about not being const enough. It's okay. We will fix that shortly. Then we paste you here. We tab you in. Not like that. We tab you in right there. And now we reload the application twice for good measure. And we refresh this page. I click on MetaMask. And now they all say Jonah Periwinkle because I forgot to change their names. Okay, so I'm going to change their names to Stacy Indigo, and of course, forgot. No, it was Grayson. We'll call him Grayson Blueberry and Stacy Indigo. I changed their names. Sorry. Cool. Let's try that again. Oh, forgot to refresh. Let's try that again. Yeah, Jonah Periwinkle, Stacy Indigo, and Grayson Blueberry. There they are. We're going to close out of this guy. We'll keep the color palette on just in case we need more colors. Like, all of these are kind of cute. So, we'll keep these in. But those are our little things. So, another thing I want to do is try and figure out how I can make, like, a list of, like make a list from like an array, you know? If I have like a list of names that are my names, I want each of them to have its own text button and not just like, you know, be Jonah or Stacy's or Grayson's button, like hard-coded. So how to make a dynamic list in Flutter. Okay, so they have a list and then a test list state. Ooh, we're gonna need to set state to rebuild the UI. Okay. Okay. And a future builder. Okay. So, cool. So this will likely be helpful. So we'll keep it open. So hold on. There we go. All right. So we'll keep the list open because that should help a little bit. And then we'll have to figure out what we want to do. What we want to do in terms of like, okay, there we go. That's a little bit of a better angle. Like the top of my forehead's cut off, but that's actually no. There we go. I accidentally hit my screen and I was like, let me fix it. And then it was a whole thing, but it's fine. Okay, we've got the colors, we've got this guy. We need this list to be dynamic. So what I mean by that is that if I provide it like a list of names, which, you know, normally we would like pull in from somewhere related to our Web3 wallet, which we haven't figured out yet, but that's fine. Yeah, we would have to make the list dynamically, which is okay, but so yeah, hold on. So how to build a list from an array Flutter. We'll figure that out. Array lists basics. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna tell me like how an array works. That's not helpful. Well, actually it kind of is. Okay, we're gonna keep this guy open. We're gonna shrink him. We're also gonna shrink this guy a little bit. We can look at them side by side. Oh, you can see my wallpaper in the background. Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness, I've had the we'll be getting started shortly banner on for like 30 minutes. Ah, I forgot to change it to the ask questions banner. This banner is the one I want. There we go. Okay, that's better. So, now what I want in here is I want to create a list of contacts. So I'll make a list of string for now, which we'll call contacts. My apartment is so cold today. And then we will call it like that, that, and that, and that will be our main piece. Oh, sorry. Wait, do I need a semicolon at the end of this? I do. Oh, what do you not like? Oh. Before the contacts is initialized with a non-constant value. Okay. My list of contacts will be constant for now. You don't like that? Only static fields? Okay, finally static const? Nope. Static const? Okay. I guess we'll have to do that for now. Jonah, no extra contacts for you. Jonah, Perry, Winkle, Stacy, Blueberry, and Grayson, Indigo. Cool. All right. So now instead, I want to make list from array Flutter, please. Not Java, not Java. That's not what we're here. This looks complicated. My data isn't that complicated. Just want, like, you see what I'm saying? Like, I have a list view. Or would it need to be like a list of random expenses? This is getting a little too complicated for me right now. With my beginner Flutter blind. Hold on, y'all. Gotta make sure the comments are all good. Everyone's doing well. I'm doing well. It's lovely to hear. We've been live. We've been doing well. We've been going. So how do I convert? How do you generate a list in Flutter? Yeah. Okay. Create lists of different types of items. Yeah. Oh. Okay. This looks different. So this is like returning the list view. Then it's returning the list tile. Okay. To convert each item into a widget. Huh? Interactive example. I do love some interactive examples. Okay. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it has been a long day. Like, not even that long of a day. I'm overreacting, but oh my goodness, I am tired. Start Flutter list tutorial with examples. Yes. Okay. I have a list. Okay. Yeah, that's my list. My list of strings. Can I just like move this list somewhere else? Oh, you don't like that? Okay. What's that override mean? Okay. Okay, then I have no idea. Let's think here. Because I want to make a dynamic list. Because that seems like the natural next step. I mean, I guess the natural next step could also be to like work on what this button does when you click on it. But that seems, you know, that seems like a different thing to do. I mean, we could do it. Create a growable list. Yeah. Initialize a list of values. Okay. Combine lists. Access items. Yeah. Remove items from list. Update list. Iterate over list. Cool. Filter. List any. Map items into new list. Sort list. Okay. Reverse list. Initialize list of lists. Fun. This is cool, but not what I really needed. Okay. Can I make a list view from array Flutter? How to populate list view from list array in Flutter. Cool. Okay. So if I have the container, which I have, and then it has, you know, the container has the MetaMask provider, and then it returns the list view. The children, instead of being widgets. Wait, this is close. This is doing what I wanted to do, though. Yeah, so we have the list of strings. Well, we don't anymore because I got rid of it. The list of strings of contacts, right? Which I could put, where can I put this that it like is accessible? Okay, like I said, main, that's fine. Okay. And then I want to return a list view where the children are contacts. dot map. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Okay, so view. Okay, so instead of returning the list view, we need to return the containers. And we need it to just be one container. What do you not like about that? Unexpected text return. Oh, sorry. Okay, never mind then. But we are gonna get rid of these other two buttons because we don't need them right now. We just need one. Just need Jonah Periwinkle over here, right? Because we've got these guys up here. So where would I put this? That's my question. Like not there because it does not like that. There? Nope, not getting rid of a return statement, clearly. Sure, we'll put it in the build function. And then I need you, so now you're a list view. You're a child of a consumer, you're a child of a bunch of things. Your children are instead of looking like that, sure, that padding is good, but I needed to say children contacts dot map. And then that would be like string one or string one. Okay, that's what they have. You get rid of this guy, you put this in, and then you return a container with the height, the color, the child being a text button, with the text being Jonah Periwinkle, the padding, the colors, okay. You're theirs, you're theirs, you're theirs. You're theirs, so you are theirs. Oh, then my child has a... Yeah, that's fine, that should be fine. Because that's centering them. Yeah, and now you're trying to... The container is supposed to have... Yeah, so we're getting rid of this guy. Clearly. And we need... so you supposedly belong to him. We need a closing curly brace. That, and then dot to list. Oh, okay. And then what's wrong? I expected to find a semicolon. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Let's see if that worked. Or then go back to this page. I'm gonna refresh it. We're gonna log in. Local message has not been initialized. And I don't, where's message? Sorry, message. Oh. So I think I need a message here. I'll just put message. Equals connected. And then like that. Cool. Let's try that. Okay. Oh, sorry. Need to refresh. Try that again. What? Then you refresh. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, it's not showing this guy anymore. Okay, I need you to return the list view then instead. And you can ignore the message equals connected part. Bye. Let's try that again. Nope. And you refresh. Nope. Terminal. Okay, let's try that again. Cool. Yes, I know, I know. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I need to... Yeah. Let me check it on this, because... Yeah, we're gonna take a quick second. Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I thought that was something important. And it was mildly important, but not, like, super earth-shatteringly important. Just slightly important. Alright, cool. Let's log in. Jonah Periwinkle, Jonah Periwinkle, Jonah Periwinkle. Wait. Your text. It can't be Jonah Periwinkle. It needs to be... Wait. If I change this... Yeah, your text can't be Jonah Periwinkle. It needs to be... What is it called? It needs to be the mapping thing. String 1. The text needs to be string 1, not Jonah Periwinkle. The text needs to be string 1. String 1. Cool. I was like, it's Jonah Periwinkle was in fact showing up 3 times, which is good for him, don't get me wrong. I need you to enter correctly. Thank you. And then you need to be constant, is my educated guess. Yes, you do. Cool. Okay. Let's try that again. They should show up as intended now. So if we log back in. What? Oh, I don't like how it has me refresh every time I want to see a change. Yeah, Jonah Periwinkle, Stacy Blueberry, and Grayson Inigo. Here they are. Cute. I think I want to add some padding on, like, on the edges. Add inserts dots. So what are the edge inserts options? Edge inserts dots all? Only symmetric? Okay, I guess we'll add an 8. I want to create some natural, like, spacing in between these. So if I add in padding into the container, and then if I do say, like, edge inserts dots all, and I add in another 8.0, you can have a const modifier if you'd so like. We can see it. Let's try that. Need to restart the application. Need to restart here. Unless I'm missing something, that did nothing. Nope, that did nothing. Okay. So let's see what it does if I get rid of all these, of both of those. What does it look like? I now do a restart. I refresh. I try and log in. Oh, so it gets rid of the padding on those sides. If I added that again and I refresh this, and I do this, I do that. What? Okay, so that padding I think does nothing. The padding was earlier up here, and that did something. Yeah. Move that back over. Yep. Delete that. Yep. Restart that. Yep. Redo that. Nope. Refresh. Log in. Restart. There we go. Okay, so that has the padding on, like, the top, bottom, left, and right, but not on the individual buttons, which defeats the point. What if I change the height to, like, 35? What does that look like? Restart. Reload. Relog in. That just shrinks the buttons. Okay, so if I do height 45, let's say. Add padding to container flyer, please. Oh, okay, so it's left, top, right, bottom. So then if I do padding, and then I do, oh, everything's over. Edge inserts dot from left, right, top, bottom, 0, 10, 0, 10. If I try that, yes, you can be const. Everyone can be const if they want to be. No. Oh, got a fun question. What's your opinion on Microsoft killing Visual Studio for Mac? Disappointing. But I don't know. That opens up the market for a new competitor. Hopefully something good comes along. Okay, so that adds in the padding to the, like, outside. I needed to add in the padding to the, like, oh, but it's probably gonna know that. I don't know. Personally, I can't really see myself developing in any other environment as like a primarily iOS dev. Like, it's not like I'm going to be switching over to Windows anytime soon. Also, like, I fully bought into the ecosystem, let's be real. So all things like that considered, like, I'm hoping a new competitor opens up. You know, like, effectively what I'm doing right now isn't unique to VS Code. There's really nothing, like, incredible. Like, I've got a built-in terminal, I've got a text editor with some syntax highlighting, right? And I've got built-in version control. And that's kind of a hallmark of every standard IDE. Yeah, would I prefer not to have to download every IDE for every project? At this point, yeah. Just because, like, but I don't know, back when I first started programming, like, having my own little JetBrain, like, suite was what I loved. Like, I had my own little IntelliJ IDEA, and then I had CLion, and then I had PyCharm, and like all of those lived in separate little bubbles, and I liked having their separate little things. So, we'll see. We'll see. Cool. All right. Thanks for the question, Jonah, Stacy, and Grayson. Okay. Let's see. What if I just got rid of this color syntax highlighting? What instead of highlighting the? Oh no, I need a refresh. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's okay. No, so these need okay, you need some syntax highlighting. How do I set a background color of buttons? Set background color buttons flutter. Show me how to change the background color of a button. Oh. On pressed, set state. Oh, there's just a background color modifier. Okay. So background color. I want oh no, I forgot to copy the color over. I need the color. Yeah, you can get rid of a const modifier. You're already const because your parents const. I know. I know. Don't. Cool. Alright. We've got... No. Why is the background color not saying? What? Well, I added this color back in. Sorry. Carry on. Now I need to restart. You also need to restart like 3 more times. Apparently, you gotta click everything like... it's gonna do this thing where it's gonna look ugly. Okay. How do I add in, like... See, they have an elevated button. How do I give my... Why do y'all's buttons fill up the full screen and mine doesn't? What? Return scaffold, body center, yeah, child. Oh, no, mine's a list view. So could I just change it to an elevated button instead? Who's going to stop me? Apparently no one. Unpressed, child text, style. Oh, the style is of the text. That's not, okay. Style is of the text, which means the style needs to be on the elevated button. Style. Thank you. Nope, not saves control. Style. I need a background color. Sorry. Yeah, okay, so then there's an elevated button. Not elevated. Nope. Oh my god. Elevated button dot style from. Okay. Nope. Yeah. And then background color. There we go. Background color is color. And then, oh, I'm missing the hex value again. I'm so glad I kept this open because I totally would have it. Cool. And then color. Okay, 0xFF. There you go. We did it. Cool. You need a constant modifier, don't you? Okay. A quick fix. Sure. You can be moved. Consider yourself moved. You want to be const, don't you? Yeah, you do. Here you go. Here's your modifier. I am gonna be sick of that pretty quickly. You know, I was hoping Flutter would win me over, and like, don't get me wrong, I'm not like... Use a size box, sure. We'll try that. Size box. Okay. I was really hoping Flutter was gonna win me over. Like, I was gonna be like, oh wow, I am sold, please. Like, but I miss my iOS stuff. I really do. And like, obviously I understand like the benefits versus the detriments. Like, yeah, I'm making a web app and an Android app and an iOS app all in one right now. Okay, there we go. Oh, these do nothing. Which, yeah, makes sense, but... That's what I'm saying, because like, if I were to like go into page source right now... Nope, not page source, I do this all the time. If I were to go and inspect element right now, and I were to run this on like an iPhone SE, like, that doesn't look bad. You know what I'm saying? But I still, like, responsiveness is hard. That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know how you respond very well to this. You don't right now, and that's not good. Okay. Can I add in a height of like 55? And what does that do? Well, I have to refresh everything, and then refresh this to find out. See, I missed the little thing where, like, as you develop, it shows you a live preview of what you're doing. I really missed that. Oh, okay, so it physically increases the space between. Okay. So I'm assuming that my padding edge inserts all can be like, or edge inserts from LTRB, if I could do like 400, 0, 400, 4,000, and then 0 again, would that do something? I think it would, but Okay, you can have a const modifier too. I don't judge. All of you can have const modifiers if you want them. Refresh. Refresh the refresh. Okay. There we go. There we go. But let me guess. If I try and shrink it, oh. Okay. I'm seeing the problem. Indeed. Okay, so that's physically for this guy. Also, it's not size. Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to create some responsive buttons in Flutter. How to create responsive buttons in Flutter. Okay, cool. Responsive material button, please. Nope. Oh no. Fractionally sized box. Nope. Sorry, y'all. No. First learn about stateful widgets and basic components. Hey, this guy's a beginner. He's trying his best. I'm a beginner too, to Flutter. Very much a beginner to Flutter right now. Feeling it. See, that's an icon button, but I don't have an icon button. I have an elevated button. And so what I'm saying though is that, like, okay, see, that it looks silly on a website, and it looks even sillier on a phone. I mean, I could add in like 2020, right? 2020, fun. And if I refresh, and I refresh the refresh, and I try and log into my mask again, right? Like, that looks fine, except the buttons are differently sized depending on like where they are. Can you add in padding here instead? Like, just of course a text style doesn't come with padding. Oh boy. See, like, can I set the size of a button in pixels? Because I set the size of this logo and the width of this logo in pixels. Can I be like width 500? You know? What will that do? Okay, can I set width of an elevated button Flutter? These buttons have a minimum size. Okay. Is it literally just width? Not widget, but width in here, like width, with like 300 or whatever? Well, no, you don't like that. Well, that's a button theme. Wait, what if I do a width here of 300 instead? And then we add in the background color there. Nope, not you. Like that. Like, what will that do? Sorry, need a refresh again. You do this again. That does nothing. That changes the width of the blue part, which isn't this part that we want changed. But if I could get the background color in here, right? If I did style and then background color. Or whatever the syntax is to get some style in here. Could just do background color? I could, okay. So instead I want just background color. Oh, it's not going to like that, is it? It's not gonna like something about that, I'll say that. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, how do I set the background color of a sized box? Set background color of sized box. Flutter. Please? How to create float? Yeah. decorated box. You may as well do container. Really? I changed it to size box. That's what you wanted. Color. Swear if that works. Okay, I need a refresh. 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 Well, that doesn't exactly work. Okay, well, Jonah, Stacy, and Grayson, it's got the... Can you add some padding? Like, to the... Like, padding edge inserts from LRT. Can we have, like, I don't know, 30... Like, 60... 30... 60, and then see what happens? You're gonna complain about const. Really? Okay. Angry programming is fun programming. We love being angry at our code. Where are the buttons? What? I'm so confused. Where are the... What? All I added was padding. How does that do anything? I'm so confused. Okay, the buttons are back. Okay, and I need a background color for the buttons so that they match. Cool. Yeah, they don't need to be constant anymore, so just in this section. You rewrite this. You redo this. Sorry. This is where the style goes here. Not there. Okay, so the style goes into the elevated button. So how can I... I already tried adding padding to the elevated button, and that didn't really work. So we can have a new height of the container. That's fine. You're gonna complain about adding a size box. Sure, we'll add in a sized box instead. And then we can have a width of the elevated button. Go to 300. Really? You can't add width to an elevator button? So it's a... So what? No. I wanna change. I wanna set width of elevated button. No flutter. Okay. Button theme. Button theme. And width needs to be 300. Why? Does button theme not have a... There's... Oh, it needs to wrap... Okay, it needs to wrap the elevated button. Hold on. We can do this. We can do this. So, I feel this is the answer. So we need a theme button. Our theme button needs to... No, sorry, button theme. Our button theme... And I'm gonna... Hold on. So I don't flip back and forth. Although I used to stream for like 4 months on one screen. So... Now we've upgraded. You know, we've got button theme. We've got the elevated button. That's wrapping this whole thing. So like that's where that needs to go. And then let's be on the same level. This is on the same level. Cool. The button theme needs a comma right there. And the min width is gonna be 300, let's say. The height is gonna be 55, and the child is going to be the elevated button. Oh my goodness. I swear if this works, we have an epiphany, folks. All right, come on. Let's do it. Well, they look good. I'll give them that. But why are they not working? Can I add in the background color here? Because then if I do, because then if this guy's style is going to be, you know what I'm saying? Like, do you have a style modifier? You better have a style modifier, good sir. A style modifier. It's going to be, no, button theme. Button theme has to have a style modifier. Please. Please, people. I need this. Button theme background color. Water. This isn't what I need. This is not what I need. This is a text button. This is under button style. Okay. Yeah. So if I get rid of this, I go in here, you know, of this, I go in here, add in the style. There's no way. Button theme has to have a style modifier. What? Button theme. Button color. Oh my god. Okay, button color. Instead. Okay. So instead of this, I just need button color to be the const color of this guy. That's all we need. And then I just need a comma. That's all. Okay. Fingers crossed again. I think we might have buttons that actually look good. Why did they just change color? Didn't do that. They're not but I said the button theme. Button theme wraps the button. That's the whole point. Like, why? Just, I'm so confused. Why is the button theme not wrapping the buttons in the pretty button color? I'm confused. I'm very cold. Okay, what? Button theme won't work for new buttons like elevated buttons? For that, you should use elevated button theme? You're kidding me. There's an elevated button theme? And you don't have a min width? Do you have a width? Oh, okay. What properties do you have? Elevated button theme. Do you just have a background color and then foreground color? So can I just change, instead of using, yeah, I want to keep theme button theme. Instead of using an elevated button, I just want to use a text button. Can I do that? And if I now do this, and I refresh that, is that it? Oh gosh. Well, now they don't have a background color at all. Which makes no sense. Considering they are wrapped in the button theme. The child is the text button. It has a minimum height, minimum width, and a button color. So can I just set colors? Apparently not. There's a background color and a foreground color? No, but this is my button theme. It's my button theme. Why are you not working? Is it time to give up on those buttons? Is it? No, not yet. We're not giving up just yet. So, like, you see the spacing in between the buttons looks good. I want to add some padding to the strings. Just like some classic padding of like, nope, you don't like padding apparently. Awesome. Does the text button like padding? Or does the padding go in the style? No, didn't think so. Maybe the padding goes, yeah, because that's the button theme. Wait, does it, I need to get rid of the sized box, don't I? Let's see what actually happens without the sized box. Because the size box could be setting those constraints and I will be none the wiser. Yeah, so the button theme is not doing anything. How does the button theme work? Button theme, child. Apparently the child is a raised button. The raised button isn't defined? What? Why do I define the raised button? Raised button flutter. Oh, I see it. Okay, so this needs to be, okay, this needs to be the elevator button. This needs to be the elevator button theme. I see that now. Okay. The elevator button theme does not take in, so I need some more research on elevated button theme. Ooh, I got another question. What do you think of C#? Haven't done much with it outside of some work in Unity a couple of years ago now, which was fun. Yeah, as I was saying, when I last did, dabbled with C# was a couple years ago with some work in Unity. I haven't really done pure C#. Found it similar to other things that I've worked with outside of my Unity use case. I've never really had to use it, so the best answer I can give? Cool, okay. We have the elevator button, which, no. We already have the elevator button. I need the elevator button theme. Elevator button theme is gonna have a style. Oh, this has style. So the elevator button theme could just have a style of like the text button. What? Hold on. It's gonna supposedly create a nice, no, oh my gosh, okay. That really hated that. I'll just add an extra parenthesis. So true. Ignore that, please. Let's try that again. Okay, well, why does elevator button not have style? What? The name style isn't defined. The name style is defined. The whole point of the button is to have defined style. Why is it like pulling in from elevated button theme data? This is so confusing. Okay. Well, we're learning some important stuff. That's good. This reminds me, like, this part currently reminds me of web, like HTML and CSS nightmares. And I'm sorry, but I haven't had to deal with that in a really long time. And I forgot how scary it is. And I miss my world of iOS. I really do. I'm supposed to start an Android class. I hope this isn't as that isn't as disastrous. Like, I know this sounds funny, but like, if I hate it. Anyway, it'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. Okay, we got the child, text, the string, the constant style, with the color, and that's just the child. Child is a text. So then you need your own style modifier that says you are a text button, and you get your style from a shape that is the rounded rectangle border with a border radius, circular. Oh, it needs to say border radius. That's circular of 20. Great. Are you happy now? You need a semicolon or comma, sorry. You're gonna need, the child modifier should be the last one. It will be the last one, if I say so myself. Here you go. Ta-da. I'll push it back even just for you. There you go. Okay, let's red hot refresh and redo that and re-click this. That just creates these buttons, which, you know what, at this point I'll take, and then I want color to just be, okay, background color. I just wanted to be color, and of that, please. And that's going to be 0xff, and then this guy, please. Without the hashtag, because we don't need it here. And then I want you to refresh, redo, and okay. These buttons are cute. Like, this could really... See, what I'm saying though is, like, if I could just add some padding here that didn't make it completely blow up. That's all I need. Could I add in some padding to the shape? The shape apparently doesn't have padding. Does the style have padding? Okay, edge inserts from LTRB. I want like 50, 0, 50, and 0, just like that. You're gonna want cons modifiers because you're cool. Sure, you can have some of those. Okay, we're gonna restart a couple times. We're gonna redo that a couple times. We're gonna redo this. Okay, there we go. This has some padding on it. Finally. So now if I increase it to like 100, there should be more padding. Hopefully it doesn't have a freak out when you zoom in like last time. Okay, cool. Cool. Now if I zoom in, they don't have a freak out. Okay. If I did like 200. See, this is what I'm saying. This is where it would be really helpful to have like a preview mode that isn't this, where you don't have to re-log in every time. Okay, now if I shrink it down. Okay, if I shrink it down like all the way, it creates some problems. So I'm gonna shrink it down to 175 on either side, and we're gonna call those buttons done. They look fine. They're not great, but they look fine. Cool. So our buttons are done. Now we need something to happen when we click on the buttons. So load new screen when button clicked Flutter. You'll learn how to navigate from one screen to the other. Perfect. Yes. On pressed. Yep. Called Navigator. Awesome. That's exactly what I want. So on pressed, I want the Navigator dot of, where do I get context? I already have build context from earlier, do I not? Okay, so I guess I can just context dot push material page route builder context to screen 2, which I don't have a screen 2. I'm gonna need a new class. Okay, that's fine. So class screen 2 extends the stateful widget. Then, yep. Override, screen 2 state, create state, does screen 2 state, then boom, and then okay. I need a class screen 2 state extends the state, nice, of screen 2. Cool. Do an override, and then a widget build with build context. Context, return a scaffold, return with an app bar. It says app bar, and then has a title. Nope, 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 nope. I hate the autofill here. This is really not cute. Okay. Title of const text, chat with someone, or chat with name. We'll just leave it like that for now. Okay. And we have, yeah, chat with name. Do that. You have the background color as color.blue accent, sure. Let's, okay. I'll leave it like that for now. I guess you want a semicolon, don't you? You do. Cool. And why do you not like my create state button? Ah, I'm missing the, that's on me. My bad. Now, what's wrong with builder context? Okay, you need to be in parentheses. Screen 2, and then is there an extra parenthesis here or something? Or is it a semicolon issue? It's a semicolon issue. Cool. Okay, let's try this. We'll restart this guy, and we've got about 30 minutes left. So it might have to be time to wrap up soon. Okay, wait, that's actually really cute. Wait, I kind of love that. I kind of love that. That's so cute. Okay, wait, that's really cute. I am enjoying that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna set the background color of the app bar to the color from the front screen earlier. if I can find it. There it is. Cute. Please go ahead and do that for me. Cool. All right, now if I restart and I refresh, in here we've got this guy, chat with name. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, passing data across screens, Flutter. I wanna be able to pass the data. Yeah, send data to a two. Yeah. Okay, I have a list. I want, yeah. And I want a detail list, yeah. Okay, so it's gonna require to do. So it's gonna require a name. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so it extends the state. Oh, a stateful widget. Okay, well that's fine. It doesn't need to, you know. I need const screen2 needs to have a super dot key apparently. Requiring this dot name. Cool, that's fine. What is wrong? You don't have a name. Name is in a field in the enclosing class. Well, what is my thing called? Well, can it be the string1 field instead? You know what? It will be the string1 field. Screen2. Detail screen2. Context. Whoa. That makes so much more sense. In the list view.builder, it returns a list tile. I have a title, and then on top has a to do at the index. But I don't want that. Oh, I need another screen, don't I? So I need a final string name, like that. Should it be this dot name? Okay, wait, that works. And then in here, I just need a name to be string1, right? Is it really that easy? And then chat with, instead of being that, I just need it to be chat with, and then comma string1. Okay, concatenate strings in Flutter. Cool. How to append or concatenate strings in no. You need it to be like in the string, like in the text. Oh, it's like a, oh, okay. I can do that. I can do a little $ action, sure. Like so. Oh, it's not string now, it's name. Then yeah, so where's this one? Title is text. To-do.title. So could I just have it be name? Would it be that easy? But oh, wait. These are in the stateless widget. So these need to go in the stateless widget. I see now. Okay. Okay, wait, so what's the, okay. So it doesn't like, so would it have to be screen2.name? Like, that one needs to happen here? What? Instant access can be as, okay, what? Can I just make this a stateless widget? Like, what's going to stop me? And then I just get rid of all of this. And yeah. And then I just use name. And I could do chat with $name, like that. Okay, I don't know why I needed to make this stateful versus state. Well, again, try adding the override annotation. It is right there. Oh, it does need to be higher now. It does. Cool. Well, here you go. Here's your override annotation. And let's see it. So now, what I think it should do when we click on the button, if I restart this, click on the button, and then I click on this button, it should say, yeah, cool. Okay, this is cute. Stacy Blueberry and Jonah Periwinkle. Cute. Okay, I really like that. That is actually really adorable. I want the background color. How to set background color of screen Flutter. Okay. I have to, but I could just set the scaffold background color here using scaffold background color. I don't want a theme. Not yet. Or do I need a theme? Might be time for a theme. But I like my current setup with the kind of changing stuff. Return scaffold, so how can I just set? No, I need. Okay. Okay, so there is a background color for a scaffold. That's just what I need right now. And I want it to be that cute white. This guy. I also want this color to be that cute white. You don't need to be const, but you do. Cool. Okay, let's restart this and restart this. And look at that. Look at that. Okay, cute. Chat with these guys. It's gonna be our main chat screen. We could just like, you know, add in a text view or something in here that like returns text view, you know, or like something like that. Or it could like be like, you know, text is something like, I don't know, like that. Sure. You know, I don't want them doing exactly a text. You want a const modifier, and I'm assuming you want something in the text, don't you? Yeah, you want a const modifier, you'll get a const modifier. Here you go, Merry Christmas. And then what is it? I know a value of the type no can't be aligned. This, here. Home. We'll try that. If we restart it now, we restart it here, we've got, oh, so it just takes in a return. How can I add a title to a list view? Add a title to list view Flutter. Cool. No, this is too complicated. You can add a container and list view in column. Oh. Use a data table widget. Data table header can be separated from the rows. Wait, so it currently has the children, which is the context map of this guy, which I could just go ahead and add, which is after the curly brace and two parens. So, right there. No? Right there? Where the heck is that? What the heck is wrong with you? Oh, the sized box can be assigned to a widget. Which is fine. Okay. Well, we can figure out how to add in a... Right now, it's a pretty simple thing, right? You come in, welcome to chat app, you log in, you press the button, you have a list of all your contacts, right? It's a dynamic-ish list, so if I were to add in, I don't know, loudest spice bear. Something like that. Right, if I were to add in Mr. Flautist over here, Mr. Flautist Spiceberry, he should hypothetically, once I refresh, show up on the list. Yeah, there he shows up. Don't like how these buttons are differently sized. That's besides the point. You click on Mr. Flautist, and it says chat with Flautist Spiceberry, and we'll add in a little message box on the bottom here. Can we try and attempt that in the next 20 minutes we have left? I think we've got it. I think we can give it a shot. So, create messaging app in Flutter. We'll look through some tutorials. How to build the application. So they have Firebase. We have our own thing with our authentication, with our things. Yep. I need the chat page. Yeah, login page. Cool. The auth provider. Cool. The login page. This is cute. Okay. The home page. Honestly, this isn't bad. I like this. This is cute. And then settings. We don't need settings. Don't need a profile page right now. Need a chat message. Okay, so this is like, okay, this is to actually send the messages over. What I just want to build is like the UI. Cute. Let's see. We've got some cool stuff in here. Model class. Okay, so I think this looks a little bit too complicated for today. Just with the time we've got left and everything, I don't know how far we're gonna get. But let's, in that case, write out. You know, we can get rid of this stuff. All these comments. Cleaning some code up a bit before we push it. Honestly, just run it through like a refactor real quick. It's Command Shift I. At least on refactor file VS Code. Refactor file formatting, please, not name. Okay, Shift Command P, format document. Shift Command P. I said Shift Command P. Format document, please. Great, there we go. Okay, we got some indents cleaned up. Sweet. That looks good. Looks really good, actually. Cool. And so we got that. And we have, I'm proud of this screen with the navigation, with the name. That's really cute. The flautist, Jonah, Stacy, Grayson. We can all have cute little conversations with them. All right, so let's get this thing pushed up to GitHub, shall we? So we're gonna quit out of running it. Localhost, we should terminate it. Yep, just like that. And then we're gonna shrink this guy back up. And then we're gonna go ahead and go into this file. We just changed this main file today. We'll stage the changes. We'll say day 3, progress. And then we'll go ahead and commit and sync the changes up. Please do that. And great. Now if I go ahead and open a new tab on this guy, which oops, hold on. Now if I go ahead and do a new tab here, if I just open a Chrome, right? Nope. Cool. Nope. I need a new tab. Please and thank you. Okay. I'll just drag this new tab over myself. That's fine. And now if we go to GitHub, and we go to my profile, and we go to the beautiful project, here we are. Here's our day 3 progress, right on pushed. And so yeah, there we go. We've got about 10, 15-ish minutes remaining. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and slowly wrap the stream up. But yeah, thanks y'all so much for coming. It was lovely to get to hang out with y'all today. As a reminder, we'll be live this exact same time we started tomorrow for the last part of this stream. The exact things we'll be working on to be determined. Likely going to be a mix of, like, you know, finishing up some of the authentication things, finishing up some of the other things that we worked on. Well, the authentication's done. Maybe trying to figure out how to incorporate the MetaMask wallet into our actual messaging app, building up the UI of the actual messaging app, using that fun little tutorial that we found. But that will pretty much cover it, I think. You know, we've got an exciting final stream, I think. I'm really proud of the progress we made today. Those buttons took forever, but that chat with screen and that navigation was super quick, but was really rewarding to work on. So yeah, I'm excited about our progress, like always. I'm sorry about that. I've got like my setup and I just tried to close one thing on another. But so yeah, for those of you who missed it, just before we end, this is the link to the GitHub, and I'll go ahead and post it again once I can get it up. So go ahead and open that right back up. So yeah, this is the link to the GitHub again for those of you who missed today's stream or had to join in late or like, Kari, what happened? Here's the link to the GitHub. And then for those of you who missed check-in earlier during the stream, here is the link to check-in. And I'll just go ahead and leave that on the screen for about a second so y'all can go in if you need it. But on that note, yeah, that's pretty much everything that I've got planned for today. Exactly. I'll stay on for another minute or two if anyone's got any questions. But besides that, thank you all so much for coming today. We're going to take some water. We're going to drink some water today. Water's good for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I see the schedule here. It's coming up next for the rest of the day. We've got another part 3 with Will. I think Will's been coming on after me like every single day this week. Yes, he has. So we've got part 3 of machine learning and NFTs with Will starting in about 15 minutes. Then we've got blockchains and smart contracts after that with David. Then we've got a break for a couple hours, and we've got a werewolf mini event, intro to Python part 3, and not late. So that's what you've got to look forward to for kind of the rest until the next Today in Global Hack Week stream that we've got running, which is exciting. We've also got, for other cool things we're exploring tomorrow, intro to web dev, Circle, part 3 of the 5-layer internet model, part 4 of me, machine learning and NFTs, blockchain smart contracts, cup stacking, and slideshow karaoke. So we've got lots of fun events coming up this week. Really, really excited for y'all to be exploring Web3. Exploring Web3 is kind of the purpose of this week. It's been a purpose of this week for me. I've done a lot of exploring of Web3. So I'm excited for y'all to get to learn some more stuff, hang out with some of the other coaches and MLHers that we've got on site. And yeah, looking forward to seeing everyone's wonderful things that they accomplish. You know, I check in on the Discord, see what everyone's up to, and it's always really fun. It's really rewarding to see what people are managed to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on out for my evening, but I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, no matter what time it is. Get some sleep, or have a wonderful morning or afternoon, or I don't know, late night, 4 a.m. You've got some jet lag going on. You know, things happen. Either way, I'm looking for my thanks for watching little banner. But pretty much, yeah, there we go. Thank you for joining. Yeah, pretty much that's everything I've got planned for y'all today. Really excited that y'all came and joined me on this stream, and looking forward to seeing what we can accomplish tomorrow. On that note, farewell, everybody. Have a great rest of your day.